issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona until 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:21 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Papago Park, or near Tempe, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Scottsdale, Tempe, Paradise Valley, Laveen, Papago Park, PS2 Peak Park, Arizona Mills Mall, North Mountain Park, Arizona State Fairgrounds, downtown Phoenix, downtown Scottsdale, Arizona State University, Camelback Mountain, and Sky Harbor Airport. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 17 between mile markers 195 and 206. Arizona Route 51 between mile markers 1 and 11. Plus Highway 60 between mile markers 159 and 173. Arizona Route 202 between mile markers 1 and 8. Arizona Route 101 between mile markers 47 and 49. This includes Arizona Interstate 10 between 141 and 156. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona,